Well, last week I talked about the dollar yen, so today I'm going to give my views on the euro. From the daily chart, you can see that the euro has made a temporary low last week at 115.54. You can see that we have seen an erratic decline which started in September at 120.93. That was a 2.5-year high, and since then that we have seen a temporary bottom on the euro. It looks to me it's like some kind of short covering, and we're going to see maybe further consolidation before we see the decline continuing. However, to complicate the picture, fundamentally that we have lots of economic data plus events. Like today we have the ECB conference attending by the key central bankers, and then we have the German GDP data coming out in European morning, and not to mention tomorrow's US key CPI and retail sales, plus Thursday's the EU CPI. Then we have the US tax reform, plus many other things that would make trading not so straightforward. So if we cast aside these economic fundamentals, then I would say that the outlook is pretty neutral. So for the risk-taking traders, I would still be a seller on the euro on the current rebound, and my recommendation is to sell the euro slightly above the current market at 116.90. The target for this short trade is 115.10. But I think that 114.50-60 would continue to hold in the next couple of weeks. And stop loss, I would place this short trade at 117.40. So if euro can close above 117 even, then this would indicate that the decline from 120.93 has made at least a temporary low. Then the risk is for a stronger upside retracement to 118.70.80. So this is my view on the euro in the next few days to coming week. Now let's look at the medium-term outlook for the euro. The weekly chart shows that the euro has completed an up move which started from January's a near 14-year trough at 103.41 to 120.93 in September, and the current decline, in my opinion, signals a temporary top has been formed, and we are going to see this counter trend down move to continue for a little while, but I do not expect the euro to come off sharply from here. So looking at this weekly chart, I am still a medium-term euro bull, but I think that we are going to see broad sideways trading for the rest of the year. So in other words, 120.93 looks to me is the high for the year, and then the market is now testing the downside. So because yesterday's the Philly Fed president Patrick Harker, he said that who is a voter, that he is going to vote for a rate hike in December, and then has penciled in the 3 more rate increases next year rather. So I think that in the short term, the euro will still remain under pressure, but longer term, I would be a buyer on dips, and I think that the support for the euro would be around 114, 115 area. So as long as 113 holds, I expect a retest of 120.93 and then to 123 in the first quarter of next year. If we break below 113, so then this medium-term bullish scenario would be, I think, has to be reviewed or rather aborted, and the downside risk which shift lower to maybe possibly 110 to 111 area. So that's my view on the medium-term outlook for the euro. Goodbye.